Hi, my name is Dr. Dan Goloszewski of Power Chiropractic Health Center, and today I'll be demonstrating a right sternoclavicular adjustment on our patient Ben. So we did orthopedic testing, we did range of motion, we took an x-ray on the shoulder, and it was determined that the scapula is protracted, the humerus is dropping anterior and inferior, as well as the medial clavicle is dropping inferior and medial. So we're going to be doing and demonstrating this adjustment, and so we're going to ask the patient to just simply give their arm out here at a 45-degree angle. Again, their head is turned away, and my contact as the doctor is coming right in at where your clavicle meets your sternum. So I'm applying a little bit of light traction here and mobilization to the patient's right arm, coming in from inside to out, from bottom to up, and we're setting it right there. Highly effective adjustment at releasing any type of shoulder impingement or rotator cuff related issues.